Welcome to today's piano tutorial of This Is Our God by Phil Wickham in the key of C. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And if you want to learn the easiest and most effective way to play your favorite songs on piano in any key with chords, you can now check out my Simplified Piano course. In this course, you'll learn my simplified method to playing piano and learn the best techniques on how to sound like a pro. You'll also discover how to get song sheets for free without needing to read any notes on a staff or learn endless scales or drills. Learning piano just got a whole lot easier, faster, and fun. So if you want to learn more or would like to check out the other courses available that are included with your subscription for free, head on over to my website in the description box below and get started learning today. We're going to start by learning 4 basic chords, which are F major, which I'll be playing below middle C, starting with F, A, and C, F major, followed up one position for G major, which consists of G, B, and D, G major, and then move up one more position for A minor, which consists of A, C, and E, A minor. So again, that's F major, G major, and A minor. And now our last chord is C major, which consists of the 3 notes C, E, and G. But if you guys know me, instead of having that G on the top, what we're going to do is put it down to the bottom. This becomes C major in second inversion and is right next to our other chords, so there's no need to be making any big jumps. And it sounds a lot nicer too. Alright, moving on to our left hand, which will place in F position for the entire song, which means that our pinky will rest on F and our thumb on C. So, hands together, each of those chords will look like F major, G major, A minor, and C major. Now let's take a look at our chord progression for verse number 1, which is almost exactly the same for all the other verses. Starting with C major for 8 counts, then A minor for 8 counts, then G major for 4 counts, then F major for 4 counts, and then lastly C major for 8 counts, which you can also add a C sus4 to as well. And if you'd like to know how to play that and know what that is, just stick around for the end of the video where I'll explain it. Let's try that with just the right hand, nice and slow, starting from the beginning of our verse with C major for 8 counts. Ready? C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, A minor, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, down to G, 2, 3, 4, down to F, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice how from C major to A minor, my thumb just moves up one step. C major, 8, A minor. Again, C major, A minor. Alright, now let's try our verse hands together, and for rhythm what we'll do is play both our hands together on the first beat of each chord, and then repeat just the right hand on each count of that chord. You can also alternate between the right and the left hand for some added momentum, and if you'd like to hear what that sounds like, make sure to click the video in the description box below for part 2 of the play along video so you can hear how that sounds, and feel free to play along with me. Alright, now let's try that hands together, nice and slow, starting from the beginning of our verse 1 with C major for 8 counts. Ready? C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, A minor, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, down to G, 2, 3, 4, down to F, 2, 3, 4, C. on to the chorus, we'll start with F major for 2 counts, then C major for 2 counts, then G major for 4 counts, and that repeats. Then we'll have F major, C major, and G major for 2 counts each, then A minor for only 1 count, and G major for only 1 count, and then F major and G major for 2 counts each, and lastly, C major for 8 counts for the interlude. Before we play this, notice how from C major to G major, the thumb stays exactly the same. C major, G major. Again, C major, G major. And vice versa. G major to C major, the thumb is still exactly the same. Alright, let's try that with both hands together from the beginning of our chorus, nice and slow, starting with F major for 2 counts. Ready? F, 2, C, 2, G, 2, 3, 4, again, F, 2, C, 2, G, 2, 3, 4, down to F, 2, C, 2, G, 2, up to A minor for 1, down to G for 1, and then down to F, 2, G, 2, C, 2, 3, 4. Alright, moving on to our bridge, we'll start with F major for 7 counts, then G major for only 1 count, then C major for 8 counts, and that repeats. Because the bridge starts softer, instead of repeating the beat in the right hand, we can also hold each of those chords, and to hear what that sounds like, again, make sure to check out the video in the description box below for the play along video, but for now, we're going to play those chords hands together, repeating each beat. Starting from the beginning of our bridge with F major for 7 counts. Ready? F, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, G, C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, again, F, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, G, C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we'll just repeat those exact same chords with different lyrics for our bridge number 2, and then move into a final chorus, which is exactly the same as our regular chorus, except we'll just repeat the last 2 lines for a tag, and then end our song with C major for 16 counts, or alternating between C major and C sus4, however you like. To hear how I like to end this song without alternating C to C sus4, click part 2 of the play along video in the description box below so you can hear how that sounds, and feel free to play along with me. And last but not least, for our intro, we'll be playing C major for 8 counts, and that repeats, or you can alternate between C major and C sus4, which simply means we'll move the pinky up 1 note to F. C major, C sus4, again, C major, C sus4. So hands together with a sus4, it'll sound like C major, C sus4, again, C major, C sus4, and it's called C sus4 because F is the 4th in the key of C. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all we're doing is just sustaining that C major chord by adding that F. So hands together with a sus4, nice and slow, it'll sound like C, 2, 3, 4, C sus4, 2, back to C, 2, again, C, 2, 3, 4, C sus4, 2, back to C, 2. And that's it, guys. If you'd like to hear those chords with vocals, click the video in the description box below for part 2 of the play along video, and feel free to play along with me. And that's it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and comment down below with what your favorite worship song is that you'd like to see me do next. Love you guys, and see you next time.